how to annotate on PDF on iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. If you're looking to enhance your PDF experience on your iPad, you're in the right place. So I'll guide you through the process of adding notes, highlighting text, and making other annotations directly on your PDF. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves to stay organized, this tutorial is just right for you. So I'll show you how to use the built-in Files app for easy access to your documents. So go ahead and open your Files app and then search for your PDF and then tap on it. Now once you tap on it, on the top right you'll see a pencil-like icon beside done. Tap on it and here you'll find different annotation tools. So you can tap on any of the pencil that you like. So you can even choose how thick you want it and then go to one of the pages and then just highlight it. You can even change the color. You can choose highlighter, change color according to your wish, and highlight everything that you want to. If you want to add text, then go to the plus icon and there you'll find add text option, or you can even add sticker, signature, or shapes. It's really simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.